I'm going to show you how to send an email HTML template. Here I've got one I downloaded from Email Monster and I'm previewing it in the browser. So how could I send that through email, presented like that? Well, I tried MSN, Outlook, tried it a lot, just couldn't do it. Watched YouTube tutorials, still couldn't do it, because you have to upgrade on Outlook. You have to upgrade to the Office 365 costs. So the only free way I found of doing it is on Gmail. A bit fiddly, but I managed to get it work. So I'm going to go and get the code. Okay, here I am on my editor, Expression Web, and that's all the code. I've already copied it, all the body code. You're not going to put any head in. You just want the body code. So let's go to Gmail. Okay, I'm on Gmail. So up on the left corner, compose new email. And here we have two. You can send it to myself, send it to anyone, just send it to myself, to Hotmail. Subject, all I'm going to do is put any text there. Any text. I'm creating a div block element where I'm going to put the code. Okay, so I'm putting the HTML template, the source code, in the source code of an email, because behind that WordPad is source code. It's unlike Notepad. Notepad is blank. So here we have a div block element. Right click on it, inspect element. Okay, inspect element, source code has come up. Mine's docked below. You can change that here, but I found it easier to see. Okay, on the dock side, how you want it docked, but that's how I liked it. I'll click away now. So here it is. That element there is the highlighted element. So I'm going to click there, right click again, edit as HTML. I want to edit the HTML, and I want to edit the part that I put in. Okay, just some letters there to create a div element. I'm going to right click there, and I'm pasting in all the HTML of that template. Okay, now that's up above, that's in, that's the closing tags of it. So now I'm closing this inspect element page here, that minimal, that close bar there, and I'm going back. Okay, here it is now. My email message now is the template in preview. That's what would be sent. I use that one because there's no images on it. For images, you can't upload an image folder. So you could put them on Google Drive and link them, or you could link them to an external source like Bing Images or Unsplash, or you can go and get an image and add it externally. I only had one image, so I'll go and put that on. I only had one image, and here it is, full themes. So how should I do that? I'll go and maybe, I'm just going to take a look again. So here I am on the image. I've clicked on there, original size. I'm not sure how to do it myself. I'll go and get it. I'm going to try dragging and dropping. Okay, I dragged and dropped my original image in. Now, if you could change the dimensions by going back to inspect element, that does me. It's a main header centered. For other images, I've merely dragged and dropped from file. Like I said, there's probably better ways of doing that. That's how you do the HTML template. You put it in the inspect element on the text you've already inserted. Okay, images probably best to do externally. You could upload them to Google Drive or do them to Unsplash or Bing Images, as I've said before. So they would be external links. There's various ways of doing the images, but that's the only way I found of doing it free, is on Gmail. Okay, thank you.